Yelagureshwara temple, popularly known as Speaking Hanumanta, is extremely powerful and popular throughout the country and dearly called by devotees as Yelagur Hanumappa. Yelagur is in Vijayapura district. The temple has an amazing history and the Hanuman idol here is an extremely divine, powerful, self-emerged idol. Temple situated on the banks of river Krishna. The temple is surrounded by greenery and scenic beauty. The water flowing by and the soothing breeze make the spot peaceful and heavenly. Being one of the historical temples in the region, the temple has its own unique charm. In fact, it is believed that Lord Ram with Sita and Lakshman lived here for a few days during their Vanvas period. Going by the stories, the temple's origins date back to the time of Ramayana, when it was believed to have been built by a devotee on the orders of Lord Ram. What is now the idol of Sri Hanuman was first found as a huge stone in the Gondi lake. After the fall of the Bijapur Empire, the Pujari was performing rituals on the stone when it broke into pieces. In a dream, he was told to lock the pieces within the temple for 7 days. When he opened the gates after 7 days, the pieces had miraculously turned into Sri Hanuman's idol, standing around 7 feet tall. Touted to be the greatest celebration of the year over here, the Kartik Ulsav or Yelagur Jatra is when you will get to experience all the energy and devotion in a grand way. During Tuesdays and Saturdays, the temple witnesses many worshippers throng the place for darshan. Whether you want to seek blessings at this sacred spot or get a dose of old world charm surrounded by history, this place is a must visit. There is a wonderful tradition carried out at the temple even to this day. When you want to know if your desired endeavors are going to be a fulfill or no, you are made to sit in front of the Lord and say your endeavors to Lord Hanuman in your mind. If your endeavor is going to be fulfilled, then a flower from his idol, which is offered sacredly, falls to his right, and if your endeavor is not going to be fulfilled, then a flower on his idol falls to his left. If the flower falls quickly to the right, that means your endeavor would be fulfilled very quickly.